Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol VYST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I think this is now my 3rd day in a row doing the video, but regardless, that's where these red and green line annotations are coming from. So after today's very nice movement, definitely some updates need to be done. And I'm just going to use these lines for the current levels of the current areas, because yeah, these levels down here still do pertain to the chart. They're just not relevant right now, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines everywhere you look. So like I said, we'll just use these. First one is just simply the level of resistance. And I say simply because there's nothing really complicated behind it other than the fact that the price and the party stopped today right up around 0.028. So for that reason, 0.028 is going to be public enemy number 1 going into Friday. So like I said, nothing fancy at all, but that's going to be the key battleground, before the weekend shows up. I'm thrown off with the markets being closed on Monday. I feel like today should only be. So yeah, when the Monday markets are closed, it really does throw me off some. But anyways, let's get back on topic here. Initial level, not necessarily initial, but ideal level of support is going to be right here at 0.025. Now, when I say ideal, I'm not saying that if the price falls below there, that implies everything's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. That would just be the sign where if the price could actually maintain above that level, that'd be just a massive signal of power on the bull's part. Next level of support after that would be down there at the 0.02 mark. And then taking a step back and looking at things from the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the famous 50 period at simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move. This right here being defined as the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 0.025 or 0.02 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. So all in all, very powerful move today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.